Alright then gang, so welcome to the only course you're ever going to need to start building modern and interactive React applications from the ground up. React is a hugely popular JavaScript library used by tons of companies around the globe to power their websites, from Netflix to Instagram, and loads more too. And there's a good reason for that. It's an incredible library packed full of great features, all designed to help developers like us easily make dynamic and interactive websites. And that's exactly what we're going to be doing in this course. So, you're going to be learning how to make websites with React from scratch, starting with the very basics and then moving on to more advanced topics later in the course. You're also going to learn how to integrate your React websites with Firebase, which is a backend service provided by Google that includes features like a real-time database and authentication. And by the end of the course, you'll be able to build something like this: a project management website, which can be used by a team of different users to assign each other tasks or jobs, and then you can also talk about those jobs with each other as well. So a little bit like a lightweight version of Asana or Monday.com, and it's going to incorporate some advanced React topics as well as Firebase authentication, a real-time database and file storage so that users can upload their own avatar images. So that's what we're aiming towards, the end goal if you like. But along the way, you'll also be building 3 other projects in this course from scratch to practice your React skills. First of all, we're going to build a memory game, which looks something like this. Nothing more to be said about that, I don't think. Then you'll build a simple CRUD website to list your favourite recipes, which also comes with a theme selector and dark mode functionality. We'll be using the React Context API for that. And you'll learn a lot about the React router in this project too, which is used to add multiple pages to your website. And finally, we're going to be building this finance tracker, which keeps track of what you're spending and where you're spending. And this project is going to introduce you to Firebase authentication. Aside from all that, you'll be learning how to do loads more with React, like how to make reusable UI components like modules and cards, how to create custom reusable hooks to perform common tasks like fetching data, and how to build and host your React sites for free using Firebase hosting. So there is loads and loads to learn, and by the end of the course you'll be well on your way to becoming a React ninja. And speaking of ninjas, my name's Sean and I'm also known as the Net Ninja on YouTube, where I've uploaded over 1,000 free coding tutorials over the last 5 years. So feel free to come by and say hello and check out my teaching style there before you pay for anything. Anyway, I really hope you enjoy this course. I've enjoyed making it, and without further ado, let's begin your React journey.